Mark Tedrow from Charleroi, Pennsylvania. All the way now, ladies and gentlemen, from Pensacola, Florida, it is my distinct pleasure to present to you here at the 2012 Veteran Dayton Air Show, your United States Navy's Flight Demonstration Squadron under the command of Captain Greg McWhirter. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Blue Angels! Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Your United States Navy Flight Demonstration Squadron takes pleasure performing for you this, our 30th flight demonstration of the 2012 season. I am Lieutenant Mark Tedrow, narrator for the Blue Angels. Since 1946, the Blue Angels have had the unique privilege of demonstrating to the Americans the precision of aviation, hoping to inspire our young men and women to pursue careers in the United States Navy and Marine Corps. The maneuvers you will see demonstrated here this afternoon are coordinated tactical techniques developed by Navy and Marine Corps pilots in both peacetime training and actual combat. These maneuvers are neither stunts nor daring feats, but are refinements of basic techniques taught to every prospective naval aviator. Here in Dayton, Ohio, we will demonstrate these maneuvers at very low altitude in traditional Blue Angel formation, so that you may see and take pride in the precise fashion in which your Navy and Marine Corps pilots are trained to fly. Now, direct your attention to the ramp before you. Observe the military manner in which the 6 demonstration pilots approach their aircraft and are saluted by their crew chiefs. Ladies and gentlemen, flying Blue Angel number 1, the commanding officer is slightly Captain Greg McWhirter. Number 2, the White Wing from Fort Mitchell, Kentucky, Lieutenant John Hill. Number 3, the Left Wingman, and one of the Marine Corps representatives in the Delta Formation from Emmett, California, Captain Brandon Cordell. And the other Marine Corps representative in the Delta Formation from Knoxville, Tennessee, Major Brent Stevens. Flying number 5, the lead solo from Coon Rapids, Minnesota, Lieutenant C.J. Simonson. Flying number 6, the opposing solo from Birmingham, Alabama, Lieutenant Dave Tickle.